everybody, Marty here with Camping Forever, and today I want to talk to you about my Dragonfly X50 drone. I'm going to give you a good look here. This is the Dragonfly X50 quadcopter drone with Wi-Fi and camera. So okay, I've had some time. I know I've done one video on this drone before, and I've had some time to play with it and really enjoy it so far. It's got the remote there. You put your phone in here and you can see what the camera shows on the phone through an app. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this thing up in the air and show you a little bit about how this thing works and do a complete review on it. Like I said, I've had some time to play with it now and I feel a little more comfortable with it, but there's not much wind today, so I don't think we're going to have too many problems. So it is really small and it is really light, so if there's any wind at all, it just takes it away from you. So anyway, let's get it up in the air and give it a shot. Okay, put it on me. Okay, so now we're going to get it up in the air and I'm going to show you exactly how to turn this thing on and how to connect it. A lot of people were commenting on the last video about they were having trouble connecting the remote to the drone. So power button here on the bottom, just hold it in and the lights will start flashing. That means there's no connection to the remote. The next thing, the remote has a power control right here. Turn it on, that red light will flash. Okay, so to connect the two together, right now they're both flashing. It's a quick motion up and down. Now they're both connected. And now I'm going to set it down, get the camera facing away, because when it takes off, that's where your camera angle is going to be. Okay, so on this, to get it to start, both toggles down and you got to wiggle them back and forth. That starts up the propellers. Okay, now get a good shot of this. Uh-oh, there's a wind. That wind might take it. We'll see. Yep, the wind's got it. Take two.
Go that way.
What do you want me to do for you? Right now?
Yeah, when you start recording. Okay. Just try to stay with it as much as you can. Oh, that wind is... Oh no. Okay, the wind really affects it a lot. This drone is really light and it doesn't have much fight when it comes to a strong gust. It comes up. Right now, that's full speed ahead and it's fighting the wind. If I just let it go, it just starts to drift. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and land it. Okay, so what I'm going to try now is we're going to put it up in the air and we're going to try to get some footage from the drone that I can add into this video and let you see the camera quality and the video quality. If I can get it stable enough with the wind blowing. See if you can get a picture.
Looking at the ground. There's a toward us now. I'm looking over there.
The wind's fighting me. I can't. That's full speed ahead.
I'm looking at my truck. Anytime you turn it this way, it just freezes.
Okay, try video. Let's try to make a video and see what happens. Okay, now I'm gonna shoot it up in the air and see. That's okay. I'm gonna shoot it up in the air. Uh-oh, wind's got it again. Get away from that. Oh no, get it away from that. Okay.
That's okay.
It's 115.
The quality is much better when it's not flying.
Almost good. Not flipping on this. that's what happens when the battery dies. You got about 6 to 8 minutes of battery life, and it just sets itself down. So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to download the footage from the drone onto the computer and put it in this video so that you can see the camera quality and the video quality. And I'll be back at you with that in just a minute. Okay, so yeah, that drone is a lot of fun to fly. It's very lightweight, which has its good points and its bad points, but the least little wind will take it away from you. I'm going to be adding the pictures and the video from it, and show you the video and picture quality. And I think that drone for the money is an awesome deal. It's a lot of fun to play with. I know I've really enjoyed getting it out here and playing with it, and even in the house. Scares the crap out of my cat and my dogs, but it's a lot of fun to fly and fun to play with. A lot of people were having trouble connecting the drone with the remote. I haven't had that problem, so I don't know. I showed you in detail how to connect it, and there's also an app that you connect to where you can see what you're doing and what you're flying. But anyway, had a great time with it, and I'm still going to continue to use it and get better at it. And I've got a couple of tricks down so far, so we'll see how far I can get with it. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it, and until next time, stay safe, happy, healthy, and free, and I'll see you in a few days. See you guys.